Well, hello friend, and thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. First of all, let me see if I have lipstick on my teeth. Well, hi there. Welcome back to another video. I am Tish with A Savvy Life. I am a busy career mom and PhD candidate trying to get all of the things done. And here on my channel, I just take you along with me on everyday life. We talk about everything. Lifestyle. I hadn't talked about fashion. I love to create. When I say everything, everything. This channel is my safe space to connect with other women who are just trying to get all the things done and get them done well. Well, hello there, and thank you so much for tuning into my video. First, let me see if I have lipstick on my teeth. Y'all, I have to get my videos up on Sundays. Let me start off by saying that. This week that I am leaving out of feels like I have been in a meat grinder, and it was just been turning very slowly. I mean, all of the emotions have been felt this week. All of the frustrations seem like they didn't want to spread out. They all wanted to happen in this one week. Hold on. Okay, sorry about that. I had to take a work call. I am now here at work. So, again, thank you so much for tuning in. I don't know what you're going to see today. I absolutely don't know what you're going to see today. I hope that I have enough footage to even create a vlog for you. If it's less than 10 minutes, y'all ain't going to see this. I can't do you like that. I don't want to waste your time. But, yeah. See you in the next clip. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and do all the things. I really appreciate your engagement. And share with a friend. Invite another friend who is wanting to get into YouTube and just wanting to connect with another friend. I want to be that friend. Let's go to work.
Go right to my money stash and keep. This is gonna be for the water.
It is now 2:30. No, it is now 2:13, and I am done for the day. I am tired. I am very tired. So I am getting ready to go home. Maybe put my feet up. I don't know. Maybe whip out my computer. I really do want to revamp my website. Refresh my website, not revamp. Refresh my website. And possibly take my girls somewhere. I have to talk myself through this so that I don't feel like I have to push myself past a limit that doesn't exist. First step, go home. Fast forward to a very good nap. I woke up and told the girls, come on, let's go do a little bit of back to school shopping. So we are now at Shoe Carnival. My youngest wanted to come here and was adamant. I'm not gonna argue with her. So that's where we are now. I needed a sugary pick-me-up, so of course I didn't want to come to this place, but my girls did. Lemon loaf as a snack through the store. I am a dress lover. I just love the simplicity and elegance of putting on a dress and it looks like you put more effort into your look. For some time, well, whenever I come to Target, I love to see what new dresses they have for the seasons, but I just don't see anything yet. So maybe they'll have a better selection as the fall season progresses. This looks like children's clothing. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it's decent.
They don't want to. They still coconut.
That smells good.
Is coconut water too? I got that one. I don't really like it.
I'm really being a trooper. I am in this store, tired, exhausted. I don't know if I mentioned, but this is the week that I went to Jackson for a day, all while executing and managing a 4-day large event at work for 400 plus guests. I put in 12, 13, 14 hours a day, worked this morning, took a nap, and because my girls were looking forward to coming to do some shopping, I'm here, I'm hungry, and I'm sleepy, and I do have to go in tomorrow on my off day. You're gonna come with me today.
picked up a pair of them. I hope it falls in the dirt.
Don't do that.
What? Not the kid.
It's really cute. I just wish it was simple modern.
And I'm obsessed with Maxwell. Yeah, that's probably the best cup they have.